purposes. And so what's going on here? Were they specifically choosing certain types of rock for technological reasons?
When we look at how the ancients were selecting certain stones that were magnetic or had certain energies, we wonder how they could know about all of the properties of these stones. Are they getting this information from extraterrestrials?
فرازمینی ها؟ آیا ممکن است که مردم باستانی آمریکای میانه از فرازمینی ها نحوه ساخت این مجسمه را یاد گرفته باشند؟ اگر اینطور بوده، چرا؟ نظریه پردازان موجودات فرازمینی جواب ساده‌ای برای این سوال دارند. از آنها برای ذخیره اطلاعات استفاده می شده.
In 2017, IBM made a huge breakthrough in data storage. They figured out how to store 201 gigabytes of data on a square inch of tape. That means a magnetic tape reel the size of the palm of your hand can hold as much data as you would have in 330 laptops.
Mag tape, mag stripe tape, is made out of basically very, very tiny magnetic particles. And what they do is they adhere them to the back of a thin strip. And the way it works is the little metal filings, which are very microscopic, they would all align in a certain pattern, kind of like the grooves on a record player. And it would take another piece of equipment similar to the one that actually aligned them to interpret how those particles are lined up. And we still use it to this day for backup data storage.
And so once again, we have to ask ourselves if these statues were in fact devices that had recorded information, and information could be extracted from them, like a computer hard drive or something like that. And so there's this energy associated with them.
Most people don't even realize when they're looking at some of the artwork or some of the sculptures or carvings that the ancients did, they can't figure out how did they know about magnetic fields? How did they understand? Well, maybe there's a technology there that we don't understand today.
We've been looking at these objects primarily at the macroscopic level. What do they look like? But maybe there's information inside them encoded using nanotechnology. Why is that likely? Because we ourselves are doing the same thing. By trying to store information for thousands or millions of years, you end up going to the same physical materials and solutions that the hypothetical ancient aliens may have also figured out how to use.
اگر همانطور که نظریه پردازان موجودات فرازمینی ادعا می‌کنند، فرازمینی‌ها هک کردن داده‌های روی سنگ را به تمدن بشر یاد داده باشند، می‌خواستند چه داده‌هایی را حفظ کنند؟ شاید با بررسی مجسمه‌های خرسنگی جنگل‌های هندوراس بشود به سرنخ‌هایی رسید. غول‌های سنگی مرموزی که حاکم مقدسی را نشان می‌دهند که هم گذشته را می‌توانسته ببیند و هم آینده را. کوپان، هندوراس. این اثر باستانی که در اعماق جنگل‌های شبه جزیره یوکاتان قرار دارد، یکی از مهمترین مراکز شهری امپراتوری مایاست. مایاها از 2000 سال پیش از میلاد تا 900 سال بعد از میلاد حکومت کردند و برای دانش گسترده‌ای که در نجوم، ریاضی، نویسندگی و معماری داشتند مشهور بودند.
The Maya were one of the longest lasting and most expansive civilizations that our planet has ever known.